Let's just say that the first few months of this year has came and gone, and I am still feeling like I need to get some stuff done. I've wrote down my goals, and it's time to pursue them like the old me would. So let's get to business. It's about the relationship that I have with God in order to make the decisions that I need to in my life. If my goals are X, Y, and Z, then what is going to take me to that direction of getting to my goals? How am I going to find that direction if I'm not tapped into Source? Because if Source knows my heart's desires and he has a divine plan for me, and I'm the one seeking the path, then who do I need to talk to in order to get that way? And I just feel like sometimes just the angst and the anxiety that the world has makes you feel like, oh, you have to follow the path everyone is doing, or you have to do what everyone is doing in order to get that success that seems like what you want that others have. But your path and your journey is unique to you. So you need to do things in your life and on your path that are aligned to you in order to get you where you want to go. Because the path that is going to most fulfill you is the path that is tailored to you. And the only person that knows that is you and Source. There's no way I can achieve all the things that I sit on this board and expect him not to be in it or include him in the plans. How dare me? Cheers to continuing the journey and just holding myself accountable as I reach the different points that I'm reflecting on. Why are you so close? Darla. She knows who she is. Yeah, you know. You give me any eggs? Let me go check on your eggs. Voila! Darla's is the brown one and Mabel's is the white one. But there go freshly washed salad. I'm gonna put some of this on my sandwiches for lunch, and the rest gonna go with dinner with cucumbers and peppers. I just need to get it down. I feel like I've been pigging out too hard because I can, and then when it's giving me the results of pigging out, I'm not liking that. So either I'm gonna get it together, or together is not gonna be gotten. So yeah, we're not doing that. So I got at TJ Maxx Marshall. Go ahead and throw them in the oven. Like a little his lunch, and taste buds, a little bit of olive oil, massage it in there, make sure everything's coated, and then I'll spray the zucchini, because if not, I don't know what they are. So this is exactly what a cleaner dinner would be. It's blackened fish, green beans, whole grain rice, well, not brown rice, whole grain rice, some lemon pepper sauce, and a side salad with some of that zucchini at the side over there. I think that now that I'm like trying to record, so to speak, it's not like I'm focused on aesthetics right now, because most definitely, let's not mistake, if you see my Instagram or if you see my other content, I definitely can give aesthetics. I just think right now my focus is not aesthetics. It's really so much on me being accountable for the actions that I'm showing or recording me doing. Me meal prepping is like me showing that I'm making the effort to clean my diet because I have weight loss related goals. You know what I mean? Like, in order to have those goals and just take myself seriously, I have to do those things. I don't know if this is cute. I was thinking for my photos I would do like a swoop bang where it's like this, and then my pony would be like curly. See, my skin is so greasy, and because my skin, usually my videos my skin be giving skin, but I feel like because my diet has been so poor, my skin has been looking not the best. So yeah, I was thinking that I'd do it smooth like this, and then I'd have the pony like this. So in the photo, it'd be like this. And then tomorrow, once my makeup is done, I'll fill in my eyelashes, like put my tails on and stuff like that. So nonetheless, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap up this video. I think I'm gonna wrap it up with saying that, you know, right now I'm embracing this new journey, and I don't know where it'll take me, but every time I tell myself I'm gonna start, I tell people my plans, looking for validation or looking for support, and when I don't get that, I fall short of myself. And I think this is just a sign for me to take my own self serious and show people the results and let them support me once they see that I'm capable of doing what I say I'm doing. So with that being said, I need a ponytail, and then I'm gonna put some rods in the tail. So yeah, but with that being said, you see the vision and you see what I'm capable of. So with that being said, next video.